The next thing to think about when you're trying to help empty your bowels is breath. Most people, when they're trying to empty, or if they have difficulty emptying their bowels, they may breath hold. So what I'm really encouraging you to do is to instead work on the strategy of the deep diaphragmatic breathing that you were taught in session, and do that as you are sitting on the toilet. Make sure that you have this awareness of breath. So when you breathe in, you're breathing in deeply into your abdomen as you inhale. So when you inhale through your nose, what shouldn't happen is that, okay, and a sucking in of the abdomen. What should happen is a gentle inhalation, breathing, lengthening out the inhale, and bulging of the abdomen, almost like the abdominals gently push out into your hands as you inhale. Almost like you're inflating the belly. That's called belly bulge. And that's happening on the inhale. And then what you're going to do on the inhale, after the inhale, is to always ensure that you don't breath hold or push in that way. You're going to always exhale through an open mouth. So breath in, belly bulges. Breath out. You can appreciate that I lengthen out the exhale. You can appreciate I don't close my mouth. And there's different tips and tricks you can try, whether you're exhaling through a circular oval shape of your mouth. You can also try to do a pursed lip exhale. So breathing in through your nose, belly bulges. Consider trying to blow through a closed fist, breathing in through your belly again. Or even considering low vocal sounds, like a low humming. Breathe in through your nose, feel your belly gently bulging out. Through the exhale. You can see it's very different than a so that's something to think about when you're trying to work with breath.